evening! This night we are going to learn how to do a salpicão salad. Salpicão salad is a salad very well known in every corner in Brazil. It's mainly made of shredded chicken, shredded carrots, mayonnaise and Greek yogurt. And also the recipe has raisins, which brings to the recipe a very bittersweet and unique taste. Let's learn how to do it.
Will you catch me when I fall? Will you be there when I need you? Will you hear my voice when I call your name? Will you catch me when I fall? Sensuality, just let it be. Let your love shine just for me. Sensuality is like the sea rolling gently over you and me. Sensuality, just let it be. Let your love shine. Sensuality is like the sea. I'm looking for some feeling, and I need some satisfaction. You can call it gentle healing. All I want is your reaction. Let me whisper in your ear. Body language will turn you on. Come with me, have no fear. Together let's be gone. Sensuality, just let it be. Let your love shine just for me. Sensuality is like the sea rolling gently over you and me. Sensuality, just let it be. Let your love shine just for me. Sensuality. Will you catch me when I fall?